Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The original Prusa MK4 is the latest iteration of the popular 3D printers from Prusa Research, known for its high-quality build and reliability. Here are the key features and improvements over previous models. Key features. 1. Improved hardware and build. The 4 Malawian Kwaches maintains the solid, metal frame design Prusa printers are known for, ensuring stability and durability during long prints. The build volume remains at 250 x 210 by 210 mm. 2. Next generation electronics. The 4 Malawian Kwaches includes a custom-made 32-bit buddyboard and more efficient Trinamike 2209 drivers for smoother and quieter printing compared to the 3 Malawian Kwaches series. 3. New extruder design. An extruder replaces the old design, which offers a much easier filament load/unload system. It also features a removable nozzle system, making it easier to change or clean the nozzles. 4. Automatic bed leveling. The 4 Malawian Kwaches comes with fully automatic mesh bed leveling, using an improved super pinda sensor, ensuring more consistent first layers and eliminating manual adjustment. 5. Speed and efficiency. Thanks to the input shaper technology, print speeds are improved without sacrificing quality, meaning faster prints with reduced vibrations. 6. User-friendly interface. A color LCD touchscreen makes navigation much easier than previous models, offering a more modern interface for new and experienced users alike. 7. Quiet operation. The 4 Malawian Kwaches is designed to operate much more quietly than its predecessors, due to better stepper drivers and optimized firmware. 8. Improved firmware. Prusa's new Prusa Slicer updates make the 4 Malawian Kwaches even more efficient with advanced slicing options, supporting input shaping and pressure advance to enhance print quality. Benefits over the MK3S Plus. Better print speeds without sacrificing quality. More automation, requiring less manual calibration and tweaking. Quieter printing and an improved user interface for easier control. New features like the Nextruder with swappable nozzles and automatic filament changes. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches is designed to be an all-around upgrade from the MK3S Plus, with ease of use, improved print quality, and higher speeds for a better user experience. It's especially appealing for enthusiasts looking for a reliable, high-end 3D printer with minimal setup and consistent results. Number 2. The AnkerMake M5C is a budget-friendly, fast, and accessible 3D printer from Anker, designed to make 3D printing easy for beginners and efficient for enthusiasts. It's a slightly simplified version of the AnkerMake M5 but retains a lot of the essential features that make it a strong contender in the entry-level 3D printing space. Here's an overview of the M5C's key features and performance. Key features. 1. Fast printing speeds. The M5C boasts impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm/s, making it one of the fastest options in its price range. This speed is complemented by accelerated motion control, which helps maintain quality even at higher speeds. 2. Smart auto leveling. The M5C comes with automatic bed leveling, ensuring that the print surface is always calibrated correctly. This is a great feature for beginners, as it reduces the time spent adjusting the bed manually and improves first layer adhesion. 3. Easy assembly and setup. The M5C is easy to set up, typically requiring only 15 to 20 minutes to assemble. It features a modular design, with the main components being pre-assembled. 4. Integrated camera, optional. One of the standout features of the AnkerMake series is the integrated AI camera, optional with the M5C, which enables real-time monitoring of prints. The camera can detect print failures and notify the user via the AnkerMake app. 5. Remote control and monitoring. Through the AnkerMake app, users can monitor and control prints remotely. This app allows for live monitoring, status updates, and remote control of the printer from a smartphone or tablet. 6. High-quality construction. The M5C features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, providing stability and reducing vibrations during fast prints. This results in better accuracy and print quality, even at high speeds. 7. Dual Gear Extruder. The M5C uses a dual-gear direct extruder, which offers better filament control, especially for flexible materials. This ensures smoother extrusion and fewer clogs or issues with filament feed. 8. Magnetic PEI Build Plate. The magnetic PEI-coated build plate provides excellent adhesion during printing, and prints can be easily removed once they cool. The plate is flexible, making print removal effortless. Benefits. Speed. Its ability to print at speeds up to 500 mm per second drastically reduces print times without compromising much on quality. Ease of use. The automatic bed leveling and user-friendly setup make it an attractive option for beginners. Remote monitoring. The AnkerMake app an optional camera add convenience by allowing users to keep an eye on their prints from anywhere. Affordability. The M5C offers a lot of features typically found in higher-end printers, but at a lower price point, making it excellent value for money. Downsides. No touchscreen. Unlike the higher-end AnkerMake M5, the M5C lacks a touchscreen and uses a simpler interface with buttons for control. Optional camera. The integrated camera is not included by default and must be purchased separately. Conclusion. The AnkerMake M5C is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fast, reliable, and user-friendly 3D printer at a competitive price. Its combination of high-speed printing, smart features like auto-leveling, and app-based remote monitoring make it a strong contender in the budget 3D printer market, especially for users who want to dive into 3D printing without much hassle. Number 3. The Anycubic Kobra 2 is a high-speed FDM 3D printer designed to offer a balance of speed, quality, and affordability. It's part of Anycubic's Kobra series, aimed at users who want reliable and fast 3D printing without breaking the bank. Here's a detailed overview of the Kobra 2's features and performance. Key features. 1. Fast printing speed. The Anycubic Kobra 2 is designed for fast printing, with speeds up to 250 mm/s, making it faster than many entry-level 3D printers. It achieves this with precise motion control and a more efficient extruder, allowing for quicker prints without sacrificing too much quality. 2. Direct drive extruder. The printer uses a direct drive extruder, which provides better control over filament extrusion. This makes it particularly effective for flexible filaments like TPU, as well as standard materials like PLA, ABS, and PTG. 3. Automatic bed leveling. The Kobra 2 comes with Anycubic's LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system, which uses a 25-point matrix to calibrate the print bed. This feature simplifies the setup process and improves first-layer adhesion, resulting in more successful prints without the need for manual adjustments. 4. Magnetic PEI Spring Steel Sheet. The PEI-coated flexible steel build plate offers excellent print adhesion and easy removal of finished prints. The flexibility of the plate allows users to pop prints off by bending it slightly. 5. Large build volume. The Kobra 2 has a 220x220 by 250 mm build volume, providing ample space for medium-sized models and projects. It's a good balance between size and practicality for most hobbyists and beginners. 6. Color touchscreen. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, offering a user-friendly experience for controlling print settings, starting or pausing prints, and making adjustments. 7. Resume printing function. In the event of a power outage, the resume printing function allows the Kobra 2 to pick up where it left off, helping to save filament and avoid ruined prints. 8. Dual Z-axis for stability. The Kobra 2 is equipped with a dual Z-axis design, which enhances stability during printing and reduces wobbling, resulting in better print accuracy, especially for taller prints. 9. Fast heat-up time. The Kobra 2's hot end heats up quickly, and the bed can reach temperatures of up to 110 degrees C, allowing users to work with a variety of materials, including ABS, which requires higher bed temperatures. Benefits. High-speed printing. The Kobra 2 offers faster than average print speeds, making it a great option for users who want to complete prints quickly. Automatic leveling. The LeviQ 2.0 system reduces the hassle of bed leveling, making setup and maintenance easier for beginners and experienced users alike. Direct drive extruder. This extruder design allows for better filament control, especially when working with flexible materials. Affordable, the Kobra 2 delivers a lot of features typically found in more expensive printers, making it a cost-effective choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Downsides: moderate print quality at high speeds. While it's fast, users may notice a slight drop in print quality when printing at the highest speeds, as is typical with many FDM printers. Noise level: some users have reported that the Kobra 2 can be a bit louder than other printers, particularly at high speeds. Conclusion: the Anycubic Kobra 2 is a solid option for users who want a fast, reliable, and user-friendly 3D printer with modern features like automatic bed leveling, a direct drive extruder, and a touchscreen interface. It offers great value for its price, especially for those looking to print faster than standard entry-level printers, making it ideal for hobbyists, beginners, and makers who need quick and consistent prints. Number 4. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is a professional-grade 3D printer designed for education, engineering, and design professionals. It's an upgraded version of the original MakerBot Replicator, offering enhanced speed, larger build volume, and improved reliability. Known for its ease of use and MakerBot's robust ecosystem, the Replicator Plus is ideal for users who need high-quality prints with minimal setup. Here's a detailed look at the features of the MakerBot Replicator Plus. Key features. 1. Larger build volume. The Replicator Plus has a 25% larger build volume compared to its predecessor, offering 295 x 195 by 165 mm. This allows for bigger and more complex models to be printed in a single job, catering to a wide range of projects in education, prototyping, and design. 2. Faster printing. MakerBot claims that the Replicator Plus prints 30% faster than the original model, which saves time when creating larger models or working on multiple parts in rapid succession. 3. Smart Extruder Plus. The Smart Extruder Plus is designed to offer greater reliability and ease of maintenance. It's optimized for use with MakerBot's PLA filaments and offers consistent extrusion with fewer clogs or jams. The extruder also has a swappable design, allowing for easy replacement when needed. 4. Improved gantry and Z-axis. The Replicator Plus features an enhanced gantry system and Z-axis, which provide more stability and smoother movement during printing. This leads to better print quality and improved dimensional accuracy, especially for complex or taller models. 5. A flexible build plate. The Replicator Plus uses a grip surface on its flexible, removable build plate, which offers excellent adhesion during printing and makes it easy to remove finished models. The build plate is also factory leveled, meaning users do not need to manually level it, saving setup time. 6. Cloud connectivity and mobile app. MakerBot's print and mobile apps allow for seamless cloud-based printing and monitoring. The cloud-enabled feature lets users upload files, start prints, and monitor progress remotely. This makes it easier to manage prints from anywhere, especially in classrooms or office environments. 7. Onboard camera. The Replicator Plus includes a built-in onboard camera, allowing for real-time monitoring of print progress. This is useful for keeping track of prints remotely through the MakerBot app or MakerBot Cloud platform. 8. MakerBot Print Software. The MakerBot Print software is designed to work seamlessly with the Replicator Plus. It supports native CAD file formats, allowing users to directly import designs without converting them to STL or OBJ files. This software also includes powerful slicing tools, print preparation features, and the ability to arrange multiple models on the build plate. 9. Materials. The Replicator Plus is optimized for MakerBot PLA filament, which is easy to print with and environmentally friendly. While it primarily supports PLA, it is compatible with Tough PLA, a more durable variant for functional prototypes. However, it doesn't support high-temperature materials like ABS or nylon. 10. Quiet operation. The Replicator Plus operates more quietly than many other 3D printers in its class, making it suitable for use in offices, schools, and other environments where noise levels are a concern. Benefits. Ease of use. With features like the Smart Extruder Plus, factory-leveled build plate, and mobile app control, the Replicator Plus is one of the most user-friendly 3D printers available. Professional ecosystem. The MakerBot ecosystem, including the print software and mobile apps, provides a smooth workflow for professionals and educators. Reliability. The Replicator Plus is designed for consistent, high-quality results, with fewer issues like warping or adhesion problems thanks to its upgraded gantry and build surface. Cloud-enabled monitoring. The built-in camera and cloud connectivity allow for remote monitoring, making it perfect for multi-user or classroom environments. Downsides. Material limitations. The Replicator Plus is optimized for PLA and tough PLA but doesn't support higher temperature materials like ABS, limiting its application for some engineering and industrial uses. Higher cost. It's more expensive than entry-level 3D printers, which may not make it ideal for casual hobbyists, but it's worth the investment for professionals and educators. Proprietary filament. MakerBot encourages the use of its proprietary filament, which can be more expensive compared to third-party options, and the printer works best with this filament for optimal results. Conclusion. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is a high-quality, professional-grade 3D printer that's designed for educators, designers, and engineers who value ease of use, reliability, and cloud-based control. Its larger build volume, improved speed, and MakerBot ecosystem make it ideal for those who need a printer for serious projects. While it's on the higher end in terms of price, the Replicator Plus offers excellent performance for professionals who need consistent, high-quality prints.